Good day, everyone. We're Group 5 from BSCS3, and today we're going to present the enhanced Craigslist website design. So, Craigslist is a web page known for its minimalist design and classified listings and discussion forums, allowing users to purchase and sell items, seek housing and employment, access services, and connect with their communities. So its importance relies on online listings offering a free and accessible platform for everything from job searches and housing buying and selling items. It encourages community involvement, enabling user to user interactions and serve as unique digital landscape while maintaining a simple and user driven. So the existing layout of Craigslist has serious user experience problems that must be solved. So the web page layout is too cramped, making it difficult for the user to read its content. Visually appealing to text-based layout, inefficient search and filtering, lack of accessibility features, limited content moderation due to the absence of reporting systems, inefficient, insufficient text formatting options, and the overall lack of modern marketplace features. So, the target users for these improvements are the diverse individuals who currently utilize Craigslist for various transactions and services face difficulties with the platform's outdated design and functionality.
So this is our created web page, the redesign of the Craigslist. So the first page that I will feature is the login page where we can create an account and log in. So in creating an account, we have here the sign up. So if you sign up here, like admin, and then when you create an account, it will give us an error message if you have done something that will cause an error. So there are pop-up messages. So let's try to create a new account. So you can toggle the password viewer so you can see the password, and when you create an account, it will prompt a message, account created successfully. So we can now log in. Admin one, password. So you can see. So login successful. So the account is needed to post an ad. So if you log out and then go to the home page, when we want to post an ad, we need to log in first before posting. So that would be all for the login page.
Hello, and this is the homepage of the redesign Craigslist page. So the homepage now features a collapsible header for each category so that it can be sorted so that it can be customized by the user if they want to hide some certain items, and then a traversable calendar, more recognizable links, unlike the original that only has hyperlinks, plain text, and a recognizable navigation bar. So let's try searching for an item, a listing. Let's say housing.
Hello, this is Hamzah Cuadra. Today we're going to showcase the post creation, the listing, as well as the posting itself. So for the post creation, we have a sample ready. So just copy and paste. You can also choose the category for this. If you choose any of this, it will show the price. If it's dollars, it will not show the price. So we can showcase. it shows the price, does not show the price. So this is a housing. So just go here, then select any of this. Most likely you'll choose real estate for sale. I will place our listing, our price listing. Then I will add the contact. Any can do. It's random. Then we'll add our description. This will use markdown. Then at the box end, it will convert this markdown to HTML. So if we post this and proceed to housing, it will now show us listings. Sadly, there's no images, but this is the basics. Now, if you press any of these listings, it will show the title, description. There's supposed to be an image cursor, but there's due to limitations, due to lack of um, implementations. This is just there, as you can see. And then we can also view the others, same thing. And this as well. And that's it for the post creation, listing, and posting.
So, the significance of human computer interaction is a vital in project creation because it focuses on the user. It is about designing systems that are easy to use. By applying human computer interaction principles, we ensure our project meets the user's needs and expectations. This leads to a better user experience, making the project more effective and enjoyable. A strong focus on human computer interactions result in greater user satisfaction and contribute significantly to project's success.
Throughout this course, I learned that redesigning a system is not an easy task. There are a lot of things to consider, such as the user preferences and usability issues. So it is important to keep the users at the center of the design process.
My course insights for this subject is how human computer interaction affects the user, or how can we build a website or an application around the user rather than around our idea. Because the user is the main target audience, not the idea. The idea backs the user, but the user backs the whole application. So if we want to create an application, we have to base it around the user. We have to make it efficient or explainable at first sight. That is my insights for this course.
So, I've learned that human computer interaction or HCI course emphasize the significance of understanding user needs and applying design thinking to identify usability problems. Um, I've learned how this structured approach is vital for creating these accessible systems that improve overall user experience.
My takeaways on this course is that it helped me learn how to design a website or application or user interface or experience with the intention of valuing the user's experience first instead of expecting what the user would experience or interact with the application or website. By applying certain design rules and standards, The user interface is now more standardized and certain that the user would experience a more streamlined and more comfortable experience with the user interface. This course also made me realize how difficult it is to create a website based on the mock-up. But the however, even if the journey is a bit difficult or a bit too much effort, the end result is quite rewarding as the mock-up, the art that you made first, has become a functional website that the user can use and also experience. But the end result would be quite rewarding as the mockup is now a usable and functional website that the user can navigate to and also experience the mockup and experience this new redesigned website that you work on for hours or days. I can see UI or UX as some sort of art in which the art itself is now a functional and more interactive piece of media that the user or even the artist can use instead of just being a flat digital art with the help of CSS to help animate certain elements as well as JavaScript to make things dynamic. It makes it a more lively artwork that is quite functional and useful for daily usage. That is my takeaways.